What's up guys, thanks for tuning in today on this very quick video, but I wanted to make this video showing you guys how to replace your serpentine belt for your 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS and pretty much any other American V8. It should be almost the same thing to do. The principles still apply for all of them. So the first thing you want to do is identify if you even need a new serpentine belt, which I don't really think you need a crazy high-def camera to see that this has cracks everywhere. So obviously if it's cracked with all of the tension and the pressure that this thing is going through, if this thing snaps, I mean your power steering, your alternator, your water pump, everything relies on this. So if this goes, that's another thing with living in Florida, that you have this crazy humidity and this crazy heat, which does wear and tear the serpentine belt a lot faster. So what we have to do first is remove the cold air intake, which we've already done, as you guys can see here. You don't really have to remove the radiator hose. You can kind of work around it if you want to. Sure, by all means do it. As you can see, this is the new serpentine belt. It's by Bando. It's made in Japan, so I mean it's not that bad, right? So what you'll be needing is a 15mm socket and a wrench. And so right here, what you're going to do is move towards the right like that, and you can see it starts to release the tension. So once you do that, you will literally be able to just take out the belt very easily. You're going to want to have a diagram, or at least remember how the serpentine belt goes with the different pulleys, because it is a little bit convoluted and it could be a little bit tricky, especially if this is your first time doing it. I've already done this about 2 times, so I'm already quite familiar with it. So we're going to go ahead and try to walk you through, which is how the belt goes once you've taken it off. But it's really simple to do it once you have it there. So these belts right here, this little rib, I think that's what they're called, little ribs, they're always going to go on the rail over here like this. No matter what happens, this right here should never make contact with anything else but those ribs, or these ribs over here. So this part right here, this part of the I think this is like the water pump right here, yeah, the pulley, this is going to make contact with this. Now clearly, right, there's no way of doing that, because if not, you're going to touch it with that one, so you're going to have to bend it down here, right? So right now the belt's on the floor a little bit, but essentially this is going to run around here, because look, that matches with this. So basically what you're going to do is from the tensioner down to the water pump right here, then to the harmonic balancer, then you're going to go to the right over there, which is the alternator, then back up here to the power steering, and then it's going to go right back to the water pump here. So it's very simple. Let's go ahead and just do it in time lapse. Alright guys, so we went ahead and fastened it around the pulleys. Remember, smooth side should go on the smooth side of the pulley, and the rib should go on the teeth over here. So before you actually turn it on, make sure that they're fastened. So easy guys, no work involved. We'll be right back after this commercial break, and you're watching Alright, so now we're putting back the Verum cold air intake, which is definitely the hardest intake I've ever had to install. It looks really nice. It's functional. It's a little bit expensive, but the installation is not great, especially when you have such a wide radiator like this. What was that? How's it looking over there? God, that exhaust smell, man. So yeah, looks pretty good. I don't see it loose, any tears. Well guys, there you have it. That is how to replace your serpentine belt on your Camaro or pretty much any other vehicle. Let me know if you guys found this useful. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.